Hey guys, it's Jason Okie Sharecropper here. This is my Sunday Sharin Crops series that I wanted to share a few verses with you today. And what I want you guys to know is, building this channel has taught me a lot. It really has. And Sharin Crops is just me sharing some of the things that the Lord has put on my heart that compares the things I'm going through in my life that maybe you are too, to some words in the Bible. So what we wanted to start today with, I've got 3 verses that I wanted to read to you guys. The first one's in Hebrews. It's Hebrews 11:7. And what it says is, by faith, Noah, when warned about things not yet seen, in holy fear built an ark to save his family. And what he did there, and the way it relates to my life, is building in faith before people understand why. I don't understand why God has told me to share crops with you. I just know He laid it on my heart several months ago, and it was hard to get this thing started. I had the Okie Sharecropper going, but I thought, man, I'm a sinner, but the Lord's going to use me for that. And the Lord uses sinners to reach people. So maybe the people that's watching this relate to me in some way. I relate somehow. You see something that you like, and maybe I can lead you to the Lord if you don't already know the Lord. Maybe that's what He's doing here. I'm not sure, but He's used me for something. The next one is going to be in 1 Corinthians. It's going to be chapter 3, verses 6 and 7. And I'll read what it says in the Bible. It says, I planted the seed, Apollos watered it, but God has been making it grow. So neither the one who plants nor the one who waters is anything, but only God who makes things grow. Like I said, if God doesn't want this to work, it will not work. So if the Lord has His hand in it, it's supposed to work. So in as it relates to me, if I do the work, but God brings the people and the results. I can't bring the people. I can't make you guys watch. I'm bringing the people to the Lord, I hope, through this Sharin Crops series, but maybe I'll bring you to my channel as well. I don't know what's going on, but it's something that the Lord put on my heart. Like I said, that's what we're doing. And then the other verse that I wanted to read to you guys is it's in Matthew. It's actually Matthew chapter 5, verse 16. And what it says in Matthew 5, verse 16, it says, in the same way, let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. So what that's telling me is when you live and build something good, people naturally notice and they will come. I think that if the Lord brings you to it, the Lord will get you through it. I've said that many times in many videos, and I truly believe that. So, I shared a lot of different conversations with several creators at the Okie Homesteading event this weekend and prior. And some of those creators are full-time, and some of those guys are like me. They still work a full-time job. Their wives still work full-time jobs. So they're balancing their job, their family life, filming and editing videos. One creator I talked to, he's got over a 2-hour drive to work every day. I've got about a 40-minute drive, and I thought that was a long ways. I don't have anything to drive like they do, but so he's overcoming some stuff like that, and he has some small children, him and his wife. I think they both have channels. But anyway, I just got this one channel, and my wife, our kids are in college or are all grown, working out of state, and we're trying to keep up with them, and it's a full-time job doing that when they're grown too, and you guys know about that. But anyway, like I said, there's a lot to these things, but the Lord said, hey, you need to start this series, this Sharin Crops series. So what did I do? I did what the Lord told me to do. So that's what birthed this channel. And every week I'm going to bring you something that relates to something. But this week I was at the Okie Homesteading event, and I sat there and it popped into my head, if you build it, they will come. So if I build this channel, you guys are going to come to it. If I do the Sharin Crops series, I'm going to take you to the Lord, I hope. I think that's what that means. But you know where that famous line came from, the baseball movie, Field of Dreams. And I don't know why it popped into my head, but I was out there running the front entrance gate and sitting in my chair underneath the shade, and it popped into my head. And that's what birthed this week's series. So like I said, guys, I don't understand it yet either, but I hope that my rambling on has made sense to you guys. and I hope it does every week. And I hope you come back every week. Tell your friends. If you go to church, tell your church friends, tune into this. They don't have to like Okie Sharecropper. They don't have to subscribe. I wish they would, but if they don't, just tune in to watch this, and maybe we can get some more people led to Christ. So you guys, as always, stay safe, and we'll see you next week. Thanks for tuning in.